can now recover your Facebook account even if you forgot your password or if it was hacked using a live video selfie without needing your old email address or a valid ID. How do you do it? Watch the whole video. Let's start. In this video, I'll show you a new method for recovering your Facebook account without your old email address and without a valid ID. This method only requires a live video selfie to confirm your identity. In this method, I'm going to use a web browser. Open your browser and search for Facebook recovery. From the results, click the link that says, Recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. This will take you to Facebook's Help Center, where you'll find several recovery options and step-by-step guides. If you believe your account was hacked, click the link for Hacked Account. If you forgot your Facebook password and can't access your email or phone number, click the appropriate link for that. Technically, both options lead to the same procedure, which will end up at the Recover Hacked Facebook account page. Now, let's report that your account has been compromised. Click My Account is Compromised. To find your account, type your mobile number, email address, or Facebook username, then click Continue. If your account appears, select it and click This is my account. If your account doesn't appear, it's possible the hacker changed your name and profile picture. Click Recover to begin the recovery process. Now, we need to complete the security steps to recover our account. This helps Facebook verify that the account really belongs to you. Take note, the information and steps shown may vary depending on your account's security status. What you're seeing on your screen might not exactly match what I'm showing in this video. If your screen says, Try another device to continue, I'll explain that part later in the video. Now, to complete the security steps, click Recover. As you can see, all email addresses and phone numbers linked to the Facebook account will appear. However, in many cases, these email addresses or phone numbers are no longer accessible or active. Here's the good news. Facebook now offers a new method for recovery, the live video selfie. Click See More Options. Select Take a Video Selfie, then click Continue. Since we can't access the old email address, we'll need to add a new one. Create a new email address, if you don't have one, then enter it here. Click Continue. Facebook will now send a confirmation code to your new email. Enter the code and click Continue. Now it's time to upload your selfie video. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your camera. Tap Yes, Continue. Select Use Face Recognition Technology, then tap Confirm Choice. Tap Start Selfie, then click Next, and allow Facebook to record video. Follow the on-screen instructions to take the video selfie. Tap Submit when done. Now go back to your desktop and wait 1 to 2 minutes while Facebook reviews your identity. Once Facebook confirms your identity, you'll be able to reset your password. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Facebook account. What if Facebook doesn't recognize your device? If you can't proceed because Facebook doesn't recognize the device you're using, here's what you can do. Use a device that you've logged in with before. It could be a cell phone, tablet, or computer. Facebook keeps a record of trusted devices you've used previously to access your account. Using a previously used device increases the chances that Facebook will recognize it and allow you to continue with account recovery. This is a security feature to protect your account from unauthorized access. So if you're blocked on a new device, switching back to an old one can help you move forward. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on Facebook account recovery.